Hey guys, what's up? Jay Sims here. Made this video for you and to show you how to create a squeeze page with Composer and some images and the whole bit. So go to composer.net and download Composer if you don't already have it. And next thing you want to do is go and right click and just put this folder on your desktop. It'll be easy for you to find for your test squeeze page. Right click, new folder, and create a new folder. Call it whatever you want. I called mine my site, and you can call it your squeeze page, whatever. For now, just for test, practice purposes. But inside there, you want to do. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of this. You want to create inside your folder. You want to create another folder. Right click, new folder, and just call it images. Okay. Now inside your images folder, you want to put the images you want to use for your squeeze page. If you don't have any images, really marketing images or whatever to use, then for now just use any images you got. Personal images, whatever. It's gonna look funny, but you'll get the basic idea of what we're doing here. So it's not gonna look good, if you use a picture for your header image, but if you don't have any images right now to use, just use whatever you got. I have no idea what that was. Okay, so now, so hopefully you paused the video, you went and downloaded Composer, set it up on your computer, created your folder, and now open up Composer. And this is actually a page I already had started. I'm actually going to go ahead and I'll show you. I just want to copy that because I'm going to get rid of this, and I want to show you from scratch here. Go up to table, and if you're doing like a sales page, you do maybe 3 tables, a header, a footer, and in the middle here would be your content. But since we're doing a squeeze page, I'm gonna let's just do 2 tables. So highlight the 2 tables and left click. That'll create them. Left click on them, right click inside, and table cell properties. Click on table. And I personally don't like a border on mine. We'll go ahead and leave a border so you can see what it looks like with a border. But I'm going to change that later. Alignment center. Click OK, and there we have your. Actually, right click, table cell properties. I forgot to change the width. Table. It's 450. Let's change it to 650. Don't worry about the height because it'll conform to whatever you put inside of it. So that'll give us a little wider squeeze page there. Could make it 700 or 650, 700 is pretty good for a squeeze page. Click inside the top table and then click image. There's a little folder here. Go ahead and click that. It will go to desktop, and the folder you're going to put your site in, images, and then so we can see what we're dealing with here, we'll go over and click thumbnails. Now I'm going to put this top secret one in there, and all this gibberish here, which is where the it's the path to your image at this point, but you could change this later if you wanted to preview this right now, but we're going to do it a different way because we want this all set up for when we upload this to our server. So go ahead and click in front of I just screwed that up. Go ahead and just get rid of this. Highlight it, delete it. You don't need it. That rhymes. Okay, alt text, it's good for SEO if you want to use that. Like if it's a product, you know, if you need, you know, extra SEO. For a squeeze page though, it really doesn't matter. You know, I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to click don't use alternate text. And there's our image. You can't see it because we went ahead and got rid of we got rid of the path on our desktop, so you know where the image was, so we're not going to be able to see it. But that's okay. Just click it and click center. And at this point, so we can see what this looks like, let's go ahead and go up here and save it. It's going to ask you for a title. Go ahead and put in whatever it is that you're giving away free. You know, I'm going to name mine. I'm going to name mine Fast Traffic Dominator because that's what I'm giving away. And then you want to save your page as index. Okay. Index.html. Alright. And save it inside that folder that you created. Not in the images folder, but just inside the folder. Okay. And then after you've done that, saved it, you can go up to browse and view it in your browser. So there's the beginning of our page. And so basically this is with the border. I honestly don't like the border, but matter of fact, I'm gonna go don't click in the image and then right click because you're gonna get image properties, but just outside that image, if you right click, you can go into table cell properties, table, and we'll just get rid of that border. And I think it just looks a lot cleaner. It's the way I prefer to do mine. You can leave the border if you want. Save that and I'll show you what it looks like. Let's refresh, and it just looks really clean. There's no border, there's no nothing, it's just floating there. Now click just on the side of the image, hit enter maybe twice, and then I'm gonna yeah, I did. Okay, I saved that headline there. So you just want to put your headline in here. Like you can type it in here, and then if you highlight this, you can change, you know, the color right here. Choose any color you want. Click OK. Change the color. You know, you can highlight it, change the font. I'm going to leave mine at impact. You can highlight, you know, certain things in here. Underline, you know, just whatever you want to do the text, just highlight it, and then, you know, you can make it bigger, smaller, you know, bold, whatever you want to do there. And I just screwed it up, didn't I? Gosh darn it, I had it like how I wanted it, but now I've muffed it up. Let's see, red. Alright, now gosh dang it, oh my gosh, there we go. Okay, maybe I didn't have it bolded, I don't know. Yeah, I did. Anyway, you get the idea. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that, but you get the idea. You know, I'd rather have... Let's see if we can fix that. Oh, no, we can't. For some reason. Anyways, you get the idea there. And, actually, let's, I'm going to back that up a little bit, and then we're going to go down here in this next box and create another table here. Actually, let's go insert table, and then we'll click, let's do 3 this time. Actually, what we wanted to do, let's redo that. Right click, table insert. We're going to do 2 by 2, 2 by 3. Okay, and then if you go up here, because we're going to use this for bullets, if you go up here, move this down to about excuse me, 50, and there you go. Now you put your bullets in here. Bullet 1, bullet 2, and I'm going to try to step this up a bit, guys, because I'm just moving way too slow here. And the faster I go, the slower it'll probably be. But anyway, you can, you know, just like I said, bold, highlight, whatever you want to do there. Now I didn't put an image in the folder for bullets, but oh no, I take it back, I did. So let's go ahead and go grab those. This check mark right here. So images, black, no, and it's absolutely huge, but that's okay. We can. It's actually better to have a bigger image, and it's actually better to have a bigger image, and shrink it down. That way you keep your quality of the image. What I'm going to do here is right click, copy, and then you can either right click and paste, or you know, it's faster if you just want to hit Control V. But anyways, there's your bullets. Now we didn't center these. Actually, they might look better on the side like that. Let's go ahead and save this, and then we'll go check this out and see what we got, guys. Okay, so we've got this border. See, I don't care for that. I think what I'm going to do is get rid of that, like I showed you guys earlier. Just get rid of this crap, and let's center that, and save that and see what it looks like. I think it's going to look a heck of a lot better. And there you have it. So it's looking pretty good, guys. That's, you know, you can go back and watch this video as many times as you need to. There you go. So we've got our headline. Well, basically this is our headline, but we've got an image here that is pretty cool. You could also, you know, you could use whatever you want there. Could be be a little bit bigger, I guess. But, you know, you can always screw with that. And what we're going to do now, I think what I'm going to do now is just put the image in there. For the ebook. And okay, so now you could put your opt-in box right here. Oops, I don't know what happened there. Sorry about that, guys. I had a little flub up there. Instead of let's do this, let's click underneath. Let's create another table for our opt-in and our image together. Actually, what I think I'm going to do, and this is the beauty of, you know, once you start, because really before these tables always really screwed me up, but basically what you're going to do is just right click, insert table, and let's do a side by side this time, like this, and we will right click, table sub properties, table. So it's pretty much the same thing every time, guys. You're just doing the same thing. And then center this. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is put the image in this side and the opt-in on this side. So let's click in there, click image. We'll go ahead and grab our image and put that in there. And then basically in here we want to put our opt-in code right here. And I don't know why this is, there we go. I don't know why that's, for some reason, like that, but anyways, opt-in code. Okay, we're gonna try that, and we're gonna see what happens, because honestly I haven't let's go grab some opt-in code. How about we do that? And I'll show you. Now I use Imnica, but so I'm just gonna go grab any code. Pretty much, let's do this. Click on this list, and let's go to create subscription form. This video is getting long, guys. I know. let's go with basic. Probably not going to use any of this crap anyway, but you could. And then just go get the HTML code, copy that, Control A, or highlight, copy, whatever. Let's go back to Imnica. Okay, now what you want to do here is you're going to want to go to source. Actually, no, let's not do it that way. Basically, an easy way, how I used to do this, I used to go to source and try to find, and you'll see here, and then you gotta go hunt for the, oh crap, my battery's almost dead, guys. I'm gonna hurry real quick. Then you gotta go find your text, that says opt-in code here. But let's not do that. I got an easier way. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get rid of this crap, and we're just gonna click in here. We're gonna go up to insert, go down to HTML, and paste that right in the box, and click insert. And there you have your opt-in code. But why is it so? We need to adjust this somehow here. And you could do it this way. We can go see what it looks like. Let's just go save. And boom. So basically, you can imagine you're gonna have your bullets. The text is gonna be all the way out here. You're gonna put your bullet text here, so this won't look so blank. This will be all the way out here. And then you've got your your little form here. Now, I personally would get rid of this. I would just have I would just get rid of this, honestly. And you can always change your subscribe button as well. You can change this in the code to say something other than subscribe. If you use Aweber or GetResponse, you're going to be able to have a lot more choices with your opt-in box. Honestly, because Imnica, you have to manipulate the code, HTML code a bit. But I personally would probably, like I said, you're going to have your text coming out to here about, so this isn't going to look so stupid. I mean, it's right now, this is just an example, obviously, but I'm going to have to get off here because I got about a few minutes here left of the battery. But anyways, that is how you can build a squeeze page, guys. And you could even put the opt-in box below this, or you could do whatever you want, basically. But that is pretty much how you create a pretty darn good looking squeeze page with Composer. And once you have these bullets all filled out here, and the text is coming out to here, and it doesn't look so lopsided, it's going to be a pretty good looking squeeze page. And you can, if you have, depending on what you're using, you could actually put the picture inside the, there's different ways you could do this. We could have put the opt-in box below this picture. We could have put the opt-in box above. We can put the opt-in box above the picture. You can do whatever you want, basically, just with tables. And so yeah, there you go, guys. And that's the gist of it. Yeah, I may do another video. Now down here you could put your copyright information and all that stuff down below here. You could do that, put your copyright information, and you know, your website, copyright, blah da da da. You know, for a squeeze page, that's really all you need. Is just put your copyright down here. But I am going to get off this video, guys, because it is about ready to die.